Alright guys, so I wanted to show you almost a little secret. Now, this is on a KitchenAid and customers complaining that the unit is frosting up. So you can go around and use a dollar bill or whatever bill and check you may say the surface between your gasket and your seal, and you can see the frost. That's a clear sign that warm air, either from the room or the garage, is entering the unit. So another trick you'll see me do shortly, I'm going to show you the problem with the gasket. See that opening? That's a problem. Now, the magnet actually has separated from the corner. You really can't pull or move. The magnet is permanent, which is inside the seal itself. So you can see the gap. Now shortly, I'm going to turn the lights off. I'm going to put a light inside the freezer and turn the lights off, and you will see light coming out. See that? That is light. That means air is going in. Turn the lights off. Even more light. Take a look. That is not good. Now you can replace all the parts in the fridge. If you don't fix that, it will always ice up and frost up. And then you get water dripping on the floor. All right. So I'll show you how to fix it. Now, I like to use Flex Seal and very light coat and make sure it's level so it fills in the gap. You might need to use a piece of, you may say, something that allows the Flex Seal to dry without adhering to it. Maybe wax paper. Open and let the Flex Seal dry. It has to be dried. Otherwise, it would make a mess. All right, now it's in the dark. Look at that, no light. Perfect seal. Check it again. Perfect. All right, guys, that's how you do it. I will leave a link to the temporary fix product that I use. Flex Seal was actually used for the repair. The stuff I use was temporary, but it works great. Thanks for watching.